As the sun comes up over the Ardennes forest in southern Belgium, ESA's Redu ground station is ready to receive signals from a pair of satellites 26,000 kilometres away in space. This antenna has been built for Galileo, the new European satellite navigation system. Scientists and engineers here are testing the signals from the first two Galileo In-Orbit Validation, or IOV, satellites. As the satellites pass over Redu, the team checks every aspect of the system's performance, and they just started testing the second satellite.
So here we are measuring the actual navigation signal from the second Galileo satellite. So far everything is going well, all the passes were successful, and so we proceed according to the plan, and hopefully we'll continue that way.
The Galileo IOV satellites are packed with new technology, including the most accurate clocks ever flown in space. When it comes to satellite navigation, timing is everything. The Galileo satellites transmit a time signal to receivers on the ground, like you might have in your car. By comparing the time signal from space with the time in the receiver can calculate how far away the satellite is. With 4 satellites, the receiver can work out its location. With a constellation of 30, getting a signal won't be a problem. But here's one Galileo satellite that will never make it into space. At ESA's technical centre, ESTEC, in the Netherlands, engineers have an exact working copy of all the components for the IOV satellites.
We are now, let's say, going through very important stages of the program, which are related to proving that the system that we have designed is working as expected, or even better than expected. So today we are having a lot of activities, I would say, at system level, putting together all these elements of the system that we have deployed now at an initial stage to check that it works as expected.
In another control room upstairs, all this data is being studied. This rigorous testing process ensures Galileo works as intended and is compatible with other satellite navigation systems like GPS.
We have deployed actually a minimum configuration of a system that is working well. So now it will be built up step by step throughout the year 2012.
The first IOV satellites were launched on a Soyuz from the European spaceport in French Guiana last October. The next 2 are scheduled for launch later this year, bringing ever closer a new era of satellite navigation for users around the world.